Hello friends, today I will discuss about new project smart anti-sleep glasses. First of all, we use hardware in this project Arduino Pro Mini, IR sensor, 3.7 volt battery, buzzer as alarm and on off switch. This complete project is working. First of all, we supply on when our Arduino Pro Mini sensor and all circuit is on power up when we eyes close and IR sensor sense. First of all, LED is just LED, power LED on, and second LED is indicate LED when a person is asleep or awake. When sensor eyes is closed, then second LED indicate, and now LEDs indicate for 3 seconds, then detected a person is asleep. When eyes open, your system is normal. When normal, simple normal eye closed, then no one alarm active. When detected sleep for 3 seconds, your eyes is closed, then activate alarm for awakening the person. Thanks for watching by qkzeetech Technologies. Thanks, subscribe my YouTube channel.